Mr. Peace. I'm here at Parkwood Elementary School, home of the Timberwolves in Madera, California, part of the Madera Unified School District. Just got done sharing my heart with all the students, TK through 6th, right here in the cafeteria. Had 3 separate assemblies. The main focus for today was on positivity, and this is my 3rd visit to the campus. But the sub-theme was what you see on the screen, be your best self. You know, one of the picture slides, a part of the presentation. And really what we were really trying to sort of encapsulate for the programs that we did for the students and staff was really just trying to say, look, you know, every day we have a choice to have a positive attitude and outlook with everyone in our lives and everywhere in our lives, right? And we also know that on days like today, it's sunny outside here in Madera, some really nice weather. It's very easy to have that positive mentality, you know, but sometimes when the weather's not the best, there's a lot of storms, rain clouds, kind of yucky outside. It's a lot easier to kind of be negative, right? And that same thing goes for things going on in our lives, in our hearts. And sometimes we do go through some difficult situations, right? But we always have that opportunity to know that these tough times can make us stronger if we let them, right? And that's why I wear this shirt for this assembly. You see the words are upside down on purpose. It says, keep your head up. So if you're sad or feeling down or looking down, it's a reminder to always keep our head up, you know, and always think positive no matter what. And, you know, talking about what they stand for here at Parkwood, it's all about positive actions, right? Part of their acronym. And the students really got that today. There's a lot of pin drop moments for the various grade levels. And a lot of them that came up to me after said, you know, something touched my heart, even some of the teachers too. And so you know that something you're saying is really hitting home. And, you know, it's this idea that, you know, whatever we do, we can always try our hardest. We can choose to never give up, to keep persevering, keep pushing until success happens. And the opposite of success is not failure. It's quitting and giving up, right? Because if we quit, then we have no chance. But if we keep trying, of course, we have the opportunity. Yeah, we might fail again and again, and you know, but we can learn from our mistakes, and those can make us better for it. And we have to understand too that, you know, true excellence, it's not just about being the best. It's more about just doing your best, right? You don't always have to get first place or win the race or get 100%. As long as you're trying your hardest, giving the effort, that's really, truly all that matters. And that's part of doing our best, right? To know that we can just keep trying to improve each and every day, and also knowing our abilities, our potential, our worth, and that we're okay, you know, just trying, right? That's all the adults here at this school in our lives want from us, is to just keep going no matter what. And to also know how special and important and powerful we all are, right? That we see ourselves and others as miracles. And that's something I bring up in every assembly. It's so important to me. But with the lines on our hands, we have the letter M, right? And that M stands for miracle. Upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that, now we can go be that light to someone's heart if we choose to, right? Not always easy to do, I get it. You know, there's a lot of opinions out there, a lot of people that are trying to bring us down. And sometimes as human beings, creatures of habit, we focus more on the negativity than we do on the positive side, right? But again, we always have the chance and the choice, the conscious effort to hopefully keep being our best self each and every day, right? And really trying to be more positive. And, you know, this kind of led into the topic for the family night session, which was leadership, passion to purpose, and kind of along the lines of being kind to our mind and kind to others. You know, once we are thinking in a positive way, right, we can think about our passions, what we're really good at, our gifts, our talents, our abilities, and then go use those to go help others, right, to lift them up higher than ourselves, right? That's what leaders do. That's what positive leaders do. And this world needs a lot more of that, right? To think about what's important, that it's people first, things second, to think about what we're doing for others, right? To make the people around us, you know, a priority in our lives. And already at a young age, get the wheels turning, thinking about our mission, what we're here for on this planet. And that's really to support each other, to help one another as a community. And so, again, it was just a beautiful day here at Parkwood. Can't wait to return again in the future, but hope something touched your heart. You definitely keep touching mine, and make sure you just keep going forward for the rest of this school year and beyond, and keep showing that kindness and positivity that this world desperately needs. As always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.